Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on TikTok Live. So what you're going to need first is actual eligibility to actually go live on TikTok. And so you're going to need to be at least 16 years old. And then I recommend having at least 5,000 followers so that you can actually start promoting products in order to make money on TikTok Live. But what that's going to look like is that once you have over 5,000 followers, you're going to click on this plus button here. And then also you have to actually be accepted into the TikTok Shop Creator Program. So two criteria. So have over 5,000 followers and then be accepted into the TikTok Shop Creator Program. Then click on this plus icon. Scroll over to the right hand side where it says live. Now, this is the main way that I make money via TikTok Live. And so I actually promote products during this live stream. And so if in the left hand side where it says products, then click on add products. These are all the products that I can promote in my live just because I've simply added them. So you do need to have the product at hand in order to actually promote them via your live stream. So right now, one of the main products that I tend to promote is a TV backlight. And so that TV backlight is displayed on my TV, and then I just simply promote it during a live stream. And then once people actually buy that product during my live stream, I do get a commission. So TikTok Shop really makes it easy to actually go ahead and promote products that you want to have in your live stream, and then you'll actually earn commission as people buy those products based on your live stream. One piece of advice that I can give you if you plan on doing this to actually make money via TikTok Live is to actually choose a product that's trending and high in demand. So try live streaming a viral product or try live streaming a product that other people are live streaming as well. And TikTok tends to push that product more. For example, like if I have this mic here, and I think this is going to do well, but without any verification of it performing well on TikTok Shop, I'm most likely only going to have like 1 to 5 viewers at a time during my live stream. But if this, let's say, remote control is currently going viral on TikTok and I decide to live stream this remote control, usually TikTok pushes a lot more viewers my way based on product selection. So after about 3 months of live streaming, I'd say that product selection is quite key when it comes to making money on TikTok Lives. So I hope you found this video helpful. I've made over probably like around 7 grand over the past 2 months with TikTok Live. It's really, really easy to do, and you just need to fulfill the eligibility requirements. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.